Musok agad. Musok agad. Luluto ako ng tiger prawn, guys. Because I miss it. Nilagyan ko ng 2 spoon of, actually 3 spoon of butter. Para may iba naman lasa. Yan, tunawin muna yan ng maigi bago ilagay yung garlic, bell pepper at saka onion. Since tunaw na siya, ilunod ang garlic, bell pepper at saka onion. So, yummy. Soak it for 1 minute. Saute for 1 minute. Yan. Next is the prawn. Next is broccoli. Yan. Yan. Haluin lang mabuti. And allow it to cook within 5 minutes. Ang bango niya, guys. Try this recipe. Very, very nice. Very, very tasty. Then, next is the chili. Yan. Try it. The pungent is very, very alluring. Okay. Then, cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Seasoning. Granuled seasoning. To make it more tastier. To make it so much delicious. Very colorful, right? Very, very colorful. With the broccoli fully cooked. The taste. I will try the taste. So good. Yummy. So yummy. Wow, so delicious. Since the broccoli is cooked already, so the last one is the egg. Try this nutritious cooking, guys. Try it, try it, try it, try it. See, just mix it well and ta-da! It's cooked already. Time to eat. Try this delicious viand. Okay. Done. It's done. Oh, oh, oh. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Okay, it's time to serve. Better to serve hot. It's very appetizing to eat. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.